Hi, welcome to my channel. First I am using white color eyeshadow to highlight my brow bone. After highlighting I am using pink color shade as a transition shade. To using the small brush apply all over the crease line to extend outwards as a wing. I am using a small tip brush to extend the outwards. After applying this, to soften the edges using a small blending brush, blend it well. After blending all over the crease line, using the flat brush, highlight the brow bone area. Using liquid concealer, apply all over the lid. To set the inner corner, I am using the lightest shade. Using the silver color pigment, apply all over the lid area and extend outwards also. Here because I am creating a dramatic eye look, that's why I extend outer corner also. Using the gel eyeliner, create a dramatic eyeline look. Next, apply the kohl kajal to the waterline. Using the small tip brush, apply inner corner also. To create a smoky look, apply the brown shadow under the waterline and smudge it with a small brush. To finish this look, apply lashes also. This is the outcome we achieved. If you want the bold look, apply the chung glitters also. Here I have applied the chung glitters also. This is the dramatic eye look. If you like this look, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching all.